Hello guys, welcome to Tech with Tanu YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will talk about how you can install Microsoft Office in 4 minutes. Let's start. Firstly, you have to open the browser and type Office Deployment Tool and then press Enter key. Click on first Microsoft official website. You have to click on download button. Then file will start to download. You can go to your file explorer and check it in the download folder. Create new folder on desktop and give a name Office. Copy the downloaded file and paste to Office folder. After pasting, double-click on downloaded file. Check this box. You have to click here to accept and continue. Then it will ask where to extract file. Then you have to click on Office folder and click OK button. Then all files will extract here. Then click on OK button. After that, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus right mouse button and then this box will open. Then click on Open PowerShell window here option. Then PowerShell will be opened and you need to copy this. I have mentioned this on description. You can copy it and paste on PowerShell. Then press Enter. After clicked on Enter button, Microsoft Office will start to install. After that, you can click on the Close button. Now we will check in the control panel that our product is installed. Then click Windows and type Control Panel here. Click on Programs. Here you can see that Microsoft Office has installed. Then you can type Excel on the search bar and enter. You can see Excel will open. Then click on this to accept and start Excel. If you like this video and if you want to motivate me more, then you can like this video and share this with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching.